Okay, one more problem, maybe next problem. What is our next problem? Oh, I am not giving you any homework because of the Reno trip. We should be busy and concentrated in other things. This is number 2. Okay, number 3. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Who is following me? Preceding is A, nobody, B, A, C, A, D, A, E, B, F, B, C, G, D, E, F. Okay, got it. Duration say right here. Duration 2469573. 2469573. 2469573. 246. I forgot. 246969573. 69573, right? Now remember. Okay, done. Start the diagram. A is following nobody. Okay, that means A is the beginner. A. B is following A. Good. Say keep some space. B. C is also following A. C. D is following also A. D. E is following B. E is following B. Correct. F, my F looks E actually. Okay. F. B, C. That means F is somewhere here. G, D, E, F. D, E, F. Everything. So make it beautiful. G. Okay, diagram. I forgot to bring your homework. You are forgetting the arrow. Even I am forgetting the arrow. In node diagram, I saw that people do not write this arrow. But in arrow diagram, there must be arrow. Otherwise, it is a mistake. Okay, it looks. Okay, first you do it, yes? Then you will check with me. Do not see it, yes? Do not see me, yes? I'm just doing for myself. You do it by yourself and check whether you are doing right or I am doing wrong. So A is 2, B is 4, C is 6, D, sorry. 9, E is 5, F is 7, J is 3. So it is 2, 6, 3.
Shouldn't B0 float? If 8 minus 6 is 2.
I made a mistake. D, where is
E.
D? B?
Bravo.
B,
Shouldn't that be
E.
a,
Yeah.
shouldn't that be a
Four.
6 instead of the 8 on the bottom right hand corner?
Yeah?
That should be a 2,
On the
right?
right. The bottom, the late finish, shouldn't that be a 6?
No, it should be an 8. It's just.
I'm coming from here and here. So 10, 8. So 8 minus 4.
Middle
4.
number, yeah.
Oh, it's 8 minus 4. Oh, okay, never mind. I was doing 8 minus 6 for some reason.
So 6 is here.
Can you count?
No, maybe I'm wrong. No. It's not that I am always right. I have 2 eyes. You have 30 eyes at least. Okay, whatever you are done, let us compare. Yes, this is my result. If your result does not compare, does not match with me, then I am wrong or you are wrong. See, start yes, one by one. First, I showed like my duration: 2 days, 4 days, 6 days, 9 days. It is given. So when we would start from end of 0 or after 0, takes 2 days, so 2. Then if it finished after 2, everybody will start after 2. So 2 plus 4, 6. 2 plus 6, 8. 2 plus 9, 11. Now, when I will go this way, say here to here, finishing after 6, start after 6. Takes 5 days, finishing 11. Done. Here, I am coming here this way and these 2 parts. Finishing after 6, finishing after 8. So it should start after 8. Because if I go this way, 2 parts, I should take the bigger one. Because if I can start here at 6, if I start here at 6, that means I am starting before it is finishing. Once both finishes, then I can start. Okay, here done. Then when I come here, 3 parts. Let's check all. Finishing 11, 15, 11. That means bigger is 15. 15 plus 3, 18. So 18 is my completion date, expected completion date. I will not change the date, I will write here 18. Imposed finish date, that means if the owner said no, you must finish it on 15, then I will write here 15 and calculate accordingly. That is not our case today. So 18 minus 3, 15. When you go back, smaller run. If it starts 15, everybody must finish on 15. 15, 15. Then 15 minus 7, 8. 15 minus 5, 10. 15 minus 9, 6. After done, go back. Say here, it is starting 10. Oh, when I am going there, I have 2 paths. So I should check this also. 8 and 10. So this can finish on 8. Smaller one. Or simply, it is starting 8, it is starting 10. So it must finish on 8. Similarly here 8, okay, done. Then 8 minus 6, 2. 15 minus 9, 6. 8 minus 4, 4. When I will go here, compare all 3, 6, 2, 4. Smallest one, 2. 2 here. Minus 2, 0. Done. Oh. Yes. Oh, free and cannot come. Free means I will not disturb my followers. Okay. So one by one. Total means this one minus this one. This one minus this one, same thing. Okay, A, 0 minus 0, 0. Or 2 minus 2, 0. Both are correct. What is 0? Total 0 means free must be 0. B. Where is B? B here. So 4 minus 2 is 2. Or 8 minus 6 is 2. Same 2. Or 8 minus 4 minus 2 diagonally. 8 minus 4 is 4 minus 2, 2. So every time it is 2. So it is right. 2 is done. Now what is 0? Maybe I am wrong. 6. Free means I will not disturb my followers. So who is following B? E and F. E and F, when they are starting 6 and 8, when I am finishing 6, can I delay? If I delay, it will be hampered. No problem for F. So if I wait 1 day or 2 days, no problem for F, but there is a problem for E. So this is I have no options. So it is 0. It is minimum of 6 and 8 minus this 6. So 6 minus 6 is 0. Yeah, this is a confusing term, yes. I will not disturb my followers. And now, C, where is C? Come here. 2 minus 2, 0. 8 minus 8, 0. Or 8 minus 6, 2 minus 2, 0. See, every time C is 0. If total is 0, free must be 0. D, here 6 minus 2 is 4. Or 15 minus 11, 4, same thing. Or 15 minus 9, 6 minus 2, 4, every time 4. So this is correct. Why free is, now what about this? D, free is 4. Who is following D? G. Why it is starting 15? Now I am finishing 11. I have 4 days to relax. If you did not sleep previous several days, you can sleep 4 days. No problem. It will not be hampered. So that is why it is 4. E, 10 minus 6, 4. 15 minus 11, 4. 15 minus 5, 10. Minus 6, 4. See, every time it is 4. Done. Why the free float is 4? Who is following E? G. When it is starting? 15. When I am finishing? 11. I have 4 days to relax. 4 days, yes? Okay, then E is done. F, 8 minus 8, 0, so total is 0. Similarly, I can do many things, yes? Many ways, 3 different ways. Why free is 0? Free is 0 for the reason is total is 0, that means free must be 0. But check here. Finishing on 15, follower is G, starting 15. No time to delay. So it is 0. Similarly, yes. Hopefully you understood critical path. Oh, here, critical path I did not calculate. I did not find it. At least no question, not no question, any question on total float, free float. Clear, right? So in our exam on February 25th, this is the question. Similar. Activity, duration, preceding activity. Draw the diagram, calculate a forward pass, backward pass, calculate all this. Total float, free float, and critical path. Hopefully you should be. If you practice, yes. Whatever I did, do not see the solution, just see this and practice. Okay, now so let us see our critical path. Critical path is the longest path or the path which has 0 float, but we call it least amount of float. If I go the first column, say 6, 8, 11, looks this one. Sometimes it is confusing, yes. It looks 11, but maybe it's not the answer. Next, I am going here 11, 15. Here there is nothing. So if I follow this path, it will take only 11. So this is not the answer. Here it is 11, 15. Now other question is, well, then obviously 15. So this is in the critical path. Now other question is, should I go this way or that way? Yes, it looks this one is the critical activity. This one is a critical activity. Now, should I go directly straight or this way? You can see here, it is fishing on 8, fishing on 6. So this is the short activity. This is the longest activity. So up to now, this one, And obviously no other barrier here. Somebody may mistake again. He may think this way. But if I go this way, is 6 here, 8 here. This one is longer than this one. Obviously this one is the longest among these. But after this, no other activity. So this is not winning. If there is something here, then might be this is the critical path. Okay, so for this problem, critical path is here. Done. Simple. Okay, then what is our time? Oh, still I have sometimes about 20 minutes.
4 minutes.
Huh?
4 minutes. Today's Tuesday. So an hour.
Yeah, this class started way earlier than when you got here.
On Tuesdays, it's supposed to start at 12:20.
Oh, really? Okay. Now another problem will take 10-15 minutes. Or at least we can start next part. In this chapter, what is missing? Lag. Lag we can try. Or no? Lag will take time. Will you try or no? Oh, you are going? Reno. Tomorrow, right? How we will go at 4 a.m.? 5 is there. You have to be there at 5. You have to wake up at 4. If I know I need to wake up at 4, I cannot sleep. I don't know who will sit beside me tomorrow. I will snore. Okay, then I will not start. Yes, continue. Because I did not do my lunch, so hungry. Okay, so tomorrow we will not meet. Yes, we will meet on next Monday. Next Monday. Leave it there. Yes.